Okay, here we are, day 2, working on decluttering my office. Still working on the closet. I did manage to, after I turned the camera off yesterday, so this box is still my spinning fibers, so all of my wools to spin. That box now has all my hardware for spinning, so it is my cards, my carding combs, my nitty knotty, bunch of other hard wooden things that I need for processing yarn, as well as that ball winder that you saw from yesterday. So now we're going to continue with this shelf here and see what we come across. I do now have a little bit of room up in the side here that I can put stuff in. I need to set my timer. So 15 minutes on the clock. And I do not have my phone on silent this time, so I should know when it goes off, unlike yesterday. Okay. I have a lot of different herbs, and I do have an herb drawer in this dresser back here, so when I get to that drawer, I'll go through things, but until then, I'm just putting things, gonna put like the herbs and stuff that I find in that drawer. This is one of my favorite aromatherapy books, all on the sensuality of essential oils for women. I love it. I always use it to make bath preparations and body oils and things like that. That's in there. This is an essential oil box. I'm going to go ahead and hold on to it. I have more oils than will fit in here, but I'm trying, it's kind of a cute box. I have another idea for it, so I think I'm going to put it up on that top shelf next to all of the spinning supplies. And I would like to do some wood burning and stuff on this. So I definitely don't want to get rid of it, but I think I'm just going to put it aside for now. Candles and candle holders are another thing that I seem to have a ton of. I did a network marketing thing for a while, and setting up my, when I go and do a presentation, to set it up all nice and pretty and, do the marketing thing, I started collecting like candle holders and stuff. So I really like these, and I have another one. I have used these for like Halloween, because you can write on them with the chalkboard paint. So I definitely want to keep these. I don't think I'm going to keep these. They don't really, I don't know. I may put together a box for things I can use in other rooms for decorating and stuff. So I think I'll set these aside. I'm definitely going to keep this. Okay. If anybody else is a mom, you know the importance of having a snack stash. I keep a snack stash in my office closet. The kids know it's here. They also know if they get into it, Mama's not going to be happy. So things like saltine crackers, that if I put this in my pantry, they would be gone. So if there's something I want to like make sure, hold on to, and can use, I share with the kids occasionally, but things like saltine crackers or rice cakes would be gone in 2 minutes flat if I just put it in the pantry, because they like to snack on them too. So, rice cakes. I have some CBD coffee. I actually really like this stuff. I don't promote any companies anymore. I don't do network marketing anymore, but there are a couple, like this company, I really love their product. And I still order from them even though I'm not promoting it. That's just not my style and my scene anymore. Okay, so this basket, I have some tomato candy, which is rather interesting, but surprisingly pretty good. I shop at a lot of Asian markets, and we like what we find. I think I'm going to turn this into my snack basket. So I do need to empty this out and decide what I'm going to do with things. So I have like some sketchbooks and some journals. This one in the front I actually made myself. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with those. Okay, there's my chocolate. Extra tripod. I actually have a drawer for camera stuff. What else do we have in here? Extra webcam. Yeah, I'll put that in that drawer too. And while we're at it, I'll put this microphone down there. I don't have a holder for it yet. I need to get a windscreen, but this is a microphone for computers, for my computer. So in the future, I might be able to do voiceovers. Like I said, I gotta get a windscreen for it first. Okay, some more journals. This is a binder I turned into a B6 size traveler's notebook. I actually really like that one. I'm gonna have to go through these journals and see if there's anything I want to keep. Old traveler's notebook journals and planners. A Moleskine recipe book. I think I was planning on using that for like aromatherapy recipes. Yeah, lots of journal stuff in here, but this basket will be really good for snacks. So I have some different chocolates in here that are mine, and then I'll just put this stuff in here. Okay, mom's snack basket. Christmas wrapping. I don't need this in my office. We did a lot of our Christmas wrapping in here. I don't need it in my office anymore, so I need to put that away after I'm done. Hair clip. Can never have too many of these, and I always find my hair clips, my bobby pins, my scrunchies kind of randomly laying around the house, just depending on where I end up taking it off. So I'm always finding these all over the place. I need to figure out someplace I can corral them when I am done with it, if I'm not directly in my room. This was my essential oil kit when I was doing energy work. I would do mobile cranial sacral sessions and would take my essential oils with me. And I think right now this just has a bunch of empty oil bottles. Oh, there's a bag of herbs in here. Yeah, this is just empty bottles that I really need to clean, I guess, and decide if I'm going to use them. That is a process, because in order to get the oils out, you have to dismantle the bottles and clean them and put them in hot water so that the oil releases, like boil them a little bit. But yeah, for now I'm just going to keep them in here because they are currently contained and I don't want to have to try and figure that out at the moment. Okay, these are... Okay, this is a replacement light for one of my... replacement light bulbs and a light for a salt lamp. I'll figure out the word. I'll hold on to that because I have one more lamp that needs to be... The light mechanism needs to be replaced. So when I find that one, I think it's in the box in that storage room I was talking about, then I have this already. So I'm going to go ahead and put this up on the shelf because I don't need it until I find that. But I do know what it is, so I don't have to label it. I love this magazine. I have promised myself that for my birthday this year, I'm going to get myself a subscription to this magazine. I just love looking through it. There's so many ideas for different body things. I think they come out with like 4 or 6 a year. Different soaps and bath salts and essential oils and candles and all the fun make-it-yourself stuff. I have some magazine holders that I want to cover with contact paper and corral all these things. So until that point, I'm going to slip it into my essential oil drawer, which is the top drawer of this dresser, because that drawer is pretty much organized and this utilizes a lot of essential oils. So I'm just going to put it in there for now. This is not mine. Box of candles. So yeah, lots of candles, lots of little votive candles and white candles for different, if I take a bath or I want just ambiance in my office or whatever. Lots of candles. So these are just going to stay like this. And for the moment, I am just going to set these guys on top of here until I figure out what I want to do with my candles. So that shelf looks much better. We're going to move on to the top of the dresser, which I know is kind of hard to see at the moment. When the timer goes off, I'll do a little like pan through because it's kind of dark in there. But if I turn on the light, then I look like a ghost, and that's not a good thing. So we're going to keep going. Okay, some more empty bottles. This is actually a flower essence that I think might still be good. Looks like it's still good. There's no floaties or anything. So this is probably still good, even though I made it quite a while ago. I may give that a run and see if that's still good. But another empty bottle, so I'm just going to put it into this box. More rice cakes. I love rice cakes. These are just plain salted rice cakes. You know, it's one of those weird things that I think you either love or hate. Graham crackers from school lunch. Okay. These boxes, I like to keep boxes that things are shipped to me in, like if I do a subscription box. This one is cords. Different computer cords, it looks like. USB cords and a set of headphones. Okay, so that one I'm going to put in the drawer with the cameras type stuff, the electronics. This box is empty, which is good. I can use it to organize something into. And I have another box. This has my... I got a new one of these. I can't remember what it's called. Basically everlasting plant. Like you take it out and it dries up and does this, and then you put it in water and it like opens. I got a new one, and this one kind of mildewed last time I used it, so I don't know if it's still any good. I may give it a try and see if it's still good, and then I also have another one. I need to get this framed. This was for my stepdad. Like I said, he collected comic books, and this was a signed artist print from a appearance he went to. So I need to get that framed and hung up. My stainless steel straws, put those in the snack basket. Empty cup, I can probably throw that away. I don't know what it goes to. Box of children's rosaries that I need to go put. Hello, Editor Me here again. It appears that the last bit of this video somehow got deleted, is missing. I have no idea, so I'm just going to do a little outro and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up down below, and I will talk to you in my next video, which won't be coming out until Tuesday next week, because that's just how the filming went. So I will see you all next week.